this recipe we're sharing today just might be your new summer grilling obsession. It hits all the right notes for a delicious summer appetizer. Our barbecue recipe of the week is grilled brie with fresh peaches, fresh strawberries. Maegan Brown is joining me through the screen to share the recipe. Maegan, how's your summer going, girlfriend?
It's great, and yours?
Good, it's going too fast. When are you back to school, or are you?
Yes, we are. No, we start next week, so the countdown is on, for sure.
It is on. Well, let's milk all of the barbecuing, the BBQing that we can. And truth to be told, when I read grilled brie, I thought, oh, I would love to. I would never. It sounds super intimidating.
Oh, it is so easy. Well, you bake brie all the time, and honestly, the grill is just so quick to fire up, and you just throw the brie right on it, and you can top it with so many different fresh fruits, veggies, and I've got two awesome ones to show you here today.
Okay, so sounds fancy, but feels doable. You're gonna show us how. Where do we start?
Completely doable. So all you do is take a round of brie, and you brush it with olive oil, you heat your grill to medium, and you put it on the grill. That's all there is to the grilled brie part.
Okay,
3 minutes per side.
So far, so good.
And it comes out nice and creamy and oozy, and it's just got that grill flavor to it. Just a different aspect of enjoying brie.
Okay, so now I understand the slight chuckle in your voice when I was like, I could never. I can do that. I can do that.
Oh, for sure. Anybody can do this, as long as you're safe around a grill.
How do we top it off then? How do we make it taste even better?
Absolutely. So I started this, we've been doing this every summer for years, and honestly, I crave it year round, but fresh strawberries is where it all began. Grilled up a round of brie, stirred some chopped fresh strawberries with balsamic and honey and olive oil, and then you just top it on top. How easy is that? And then I'm going to garnish it with a little bit more honey and some sea salt and some chopped fresh basil. So I've got that on there. Oh, so delicious. And then it just goes from there. You can do peaches, you could do, name another summer fruit. You could top it on there, or you could just enjoy it as is and just keep it super savory.
I can only imagine the look on my family's faces when I just saunter over to the picnic table and say, grilled brie, anyone? Talk to me about, I mean, so we want the inside, right? We're scooping and dipping for those who aren't familiar with this cheese. Does it make a mess of the grill? Do I have to have my own little section on the grill?
Oh, no. I can put it all together on the grill. So you can see right here, I've got my peaches, my brie grilling. I've got baguette on there as well. So I just put it all on the grill, and it takes about the same time. So 3 minutes per side, I really watch the brie. And when it kind of starts to ooze a little on the sides is when I take it off. But you want both sides to have some nice grill marks, and you want it to be nice and melty all throughout.
Okay, so it becomes kind of your side dish. The burgers aren't getting the boot, the chicken's still happening. This is just a little extra that we'll throw on a corner of the grill that will make the meal. How are you playing with the peaches? Tell me about that combination.
Peaches, this is one of my favorites. So we actually grill the peaches in this one, and then we chop them and just top the grilled brie with the peaches. And then this one has pesto on it. So, I know a lot of people make their own pesto at this time of year, especially with herbs booming everywhere. So I have some fresh made pesto.
Maegan, peaches and pesto?
Trust me, it is so delicious.
Oh, my mouth is watering right now just thinking about it.
As it should. Yeah, the combination is out of this world. Then you just top it with a little sea salt as well and some chopped fresh mint here. So,
you know what I love about both of these?
I mixed those up. I think it's mint on the strawberries and basil on the peaches. So
that
take
makes
note
sense.
of that. Check the recipes, and you'll get the correct one.
That makes sense. That makes sense. But really, you can't go wrong. And that's what I was going to say. Is it underscores the beauty that is summer dining, which is just fresh, simple ingredients. Like you're reaching for the pesto and the salt and the peaches. We're done. You don't need a lot to make your palate just feel happy in the summer, right?
Absolutely. Just minimal ingredients, but amazing deliciousness that you could enjoy all summer long.
I will be trying this. Crackers, baguettes, whatever you need for your dipper, and you have yourself a delicious summer appetizer. Maegan, I'm so excited to try it. Thank you for the inspiration. Where can we find more of your ideas, more recipes from you?
Absolutely. You can head to thebakermama.com where I share all of my recipes and boards and spread inspiration, as well as at the Baker Mama on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook.
I was so excited the other day. I was shopping with my sister. We visited a new local boutique, and your book was on full display. And I totally did the name drop. I'm like, I know her. We're friends through the screen.
I love that. We are. And I love that. I love it when small boutiques carried it. So
It's
it means so much
fun to
me.
see your face and your ideas everywhere. Thank you for making time for us and inspiring us with this barbecue recipe of the week.
So sweet. Nice to see you.